Welcome viewers. My name is Gaurav Nakul. Today we want to talk to you a little bit about GoDaddy Airo AI Builder. Airo AI Builder is our AI-enabled website and app building tool that lets you create fully functional and beautiful websites, apps. So whether you're a small business, you're a designer, developer, creator, and if you have an idea that you want to bring to life, I urge you to go and use the GoDaddy Airo AI Builder. So today we are gathered here to celebrate Airo AI Builder. Last month, GoDaddy went to 3 different universities in Noida. We met more than 2,000 students, really exciting, really bright students in these universities who participated in a Buildathon to create something really unique. They had a lot of ideas. We wanted them to bring these ideas to life using GoDaddy Airo AI Builder. The entire GoDaddy team had a great time at these universities talking and interacting with these students. Today, we finally shortlisted 9 winners out of the 2,000 students who participated. I hope you will enjoy our discussion and interaction with these students today as we talk to each of them about what they built, what their experience was, and how do they plan to use GoDaddy Airo AI Builder in their day-to-day lives. Tell us a little bit about the app that you built.
So basically my app goes by the name of Bug Bounty Hub, where you basically, let's say you're using some kind of application and you just came across any kind of vulnerabilities or bias or redundancy in the system. So what you got to do is you got to take screenshot or you just got to record the video out there and you just have to post it in form of PDF or whatsoever and you have to submit it on a platform.
I love that. I mean, because so many of us are on so many different apps these days, and for a company to be able to get people to review their apps, find bugs, report them, I think it could be a big use case. So I love that. And what app did you create? What was the idea behind it?
So my idea was basically a startup evaluator, in which a user enters his idea, and further he can analyze his idea. My SaaS platform basically generates a report in which we have a investor score and a risk analysis plus strengths and weaknesses and various key factors on which a startup can be judged. Plus it also provides a MVP roadmap, basically how to get from 0 to 1, how you can take your startup from 0 to 1. Also further you can discuss your idea and build upon it using our chatbot and discuss further about it.
Okay. Tell me your idea which you have attempted via Airo Builder.
It basically gives you tutorials and it tells you how to scan, how to set up your Paytm account, how to manage calls, how to maintain your storage in your phone, basically every phone function, and all these tutorials will be given.
Tell me, why did you think about this? Like, do you use a lot of apps, or do you come across a lot of bugs, or are you generally looking for bugs, those kind of things?
Okay, so talking about that, so it's like a 3 a.m. thought that I got. Okay, so let's say while I'm sleeping, so it just clicked in my mind that can we build a platform where we could just report all our bugs. Like, let's say we always used to hear about a lot of people who got placed into FANG just by reporting or finding out some bugs. So I always used to thought about this, maybe we could create a platform based out of it. So it was just a 3 a.m. thought that I got, and Airo Builder coming into the picture, it was phenomenal.
Why did you think about this app and not anything else?
As many of them are using SIMA, which is very heavy and everyone can't afford it. Then I just went with the idea, why not making a mini shop platform which can help many small businesses. They are struggling with it.
What features or functionality you liked the most while using the Airo Builder app?
Was the camera try-on. Like, I created first through React Native and JSON also, but it took so much long and not productive enough. But in minutes, I created a camera sensor, it is going to sense my face, where I am placing the cap, front or back, and just in minutes, by prompting, it created. So I like the most feature.
Can you tell other features you have covered in this app?
It is very gamified. People get points to solve issues, and there is pool fund for money which people can use to fix issues.
What feature or functionality you like the most?
First, the basic feature about how easily I can just type my mind in that area, black space. It takes that as a prompt and it basically makes what I wanted to make. Second, of course, the error fixing.
You told that you built the website on your mobile phone.
Yeah.
And how was your experience building the website on mobile phone, not on a machine?
Honestly, it was like quite exceeded my expectations. I thought it won't work in the 4, but honestly, it worked so well. And plus, this was this function called where the errors were like getting fixed on its own. So since I was working on the 4, there were some various errors I was facing that it wasn't working. So when I contacted the team, they were like, that's a new error to themselves also. But when I was constantly fixing it, it got fixed on its own. And that's something I really liked about this.
Great. Like, was there any challenges you faced while attempting or creating the website?
While at like creating the website, there wasn't any particular challenges I faced, but yeah, as mentioned earlier, there were like frequent errors I was facing since I was working on a mobile phone, of course. But what matters is at the end of the day, it worked and it's still running smoothly.
Any challenges while using the Airo Builder app?
Yes, initially like I was not able to like add on that camera sensor, but like it was giving me error. Then I contacted the team, so like it fixed it, the error at our own, like by giving the prompts. So like I like very much.
What was the buzz like in your college, when the Buildathon happened?
Okay. So I do believe the ambience itself was really great. It was really competitive, of course. And of course, you and other GoDaddy members were roaming around and actually interacting with students. I loved that because, of course, every student has some kind of, would you say, nerves? I do believe in any competition going through, you would have nerves to begin. And yeah.
Was it engaging participation or it was a boring?
It was really engaging. You won't believe there were about 200 students in that room, and most of them stayed there till the event lasted. So that's really great.
So describe your app in 3 words.
Reliable,
Luxury.
And race.
Okay. What are the next things which you want to build by using Airo Builder?
I'm trying to develop an app which will automatically share pictures by the real time, in real time of event.
So talking about my app, which is Bug Bounty Hub. So as of now, I'm just thinking to reach out to different companies who can help me in growing my brand, because ultimately the goal is to make it $1 billion company. So for that, I need assistance with a lot of companies, managers, senior directors, and GoDaddy coming into the picture has made my dream halfway already completed.
What's next for you? Like, I know you built an app. Are you thinking about building a new one, making changes to this one, showing it to your mom first, maybe your friends?
Yeah. This app was, I do believe right now, this app would be my focus because I believe I have worked really hard on it.
Anything, any last thoughts about, would you want to, go to another Buildathon, or, maybe your final experience, something that you want to share with your colleagues?
I will say go with your idea, develop a backend, and use Airo Buildathon like platform to create your front end, because your idea matters more than creating a front end part using coding for 3 or 4 hours.
All right, everyone. So that was a wrap. I hope you enjoyed the discussions and the conversations we had with these bright and amazing students. We know there is no dearth of ideas, and all you need is a tool, a companion that can actually help you bring these ideas to life. We've seen how GoDaddy Airo AI Builder does just that. With that, we urge you and we hope that you keep building using the GoDaddy Airo AI Builder and keep bringing your ideas online. Thank you and have a great day.